गोंयांत जावपी नगरपालिकेच्या वेंचणूक आरक्षणा विरोधान गोंय फॉरवर्ड पक्ष न्यायालयांत गेल्लो. नगरपालिका प्रभाग आरक्षण सारकें केल्लें ना. सरकार पक्षान आपणाक जाय तशें आरक्षण करून घेतलां. देखून राज्य वेंचणूक आयोगाक आरक्षण परतून करपाचो आदेश दिवचो अशी मागणी गोंय फॉरवर्ड पक्षान न्यायालया कडेन केल्ली. त्या प्रमाण उच्च न्यायालयाच्या न्यायाधीशान दोगांचें म्हणणें आयकोन घेवन आयज निकाल दिला अशी माहिती गोंय फॉरवर्ड पक्षाच्या वतीन न्यायालयान म्हणणें मांडपी आदवोगाद दत्तप्रसाद लवंडेन दिल्या.
Indeed, it is a historic judgment. We had challenged reservation qua two municipalities. One is Sangay and another one is Margaon. And on both counts, both the municipalities, the court has held that the reservation is illegal. Illegal in the sense that it is violation of rules and the Act of Municipalities Act, as well as in violation of the constitutional principles. So the High Court has directed that as far as these two municipalities are concerned, apart from other three municipalities and in which we had not filed petitions, that the reservation is quashed and set aside. The state government is directed to carry out the exercise of reservation within 10 days and complete the process within a time-bound manner. So these are the directions of the court, and I must say indeed it's a historic judgment.
Advocate General had sought a stay on the order, but which was denied by the
Yes,
court.
yes,
What
yes.
actually happened in the court?
Advocate General, when the judgment was pronounced, the Advocate General asked for a stay for a period of 1 week because they wanted to go to Supreme Court. That's what Advocate General told the court. But nevertheless, the court held that the reservation is especially illegal, and therefore there is no question of granting any stay. And this order, which is passed by the court, is in furtherance to the process of the election. So therefore, there is no question of any stay. So the court rejected the stay asked for by the state government.